Welcome students. Today we are going to learn more about infinitives. As we have already learned in our previous lesson, an infinitive is a non-finite verb that looks like a verb but does the job of a noun, or an infinitive is actually a verbal noun. An infinitive is mostly preceded with to, and an infinitive, the verb in an infinitive is in its simple present form. Now, what are the different uses of infinitive? An infinitive may be used as the subject of a verb. For example, to find fault is easy. Over here, as we can see, the verb is is and the subject of the verb is to find. So here the infinitive to find acts as the subject of the verb. Then again, an infinitive may be used as the object of a transitive verb. For example, I do not mean to offend you. Over here, as we can see, the infinitive acts as the object of the transitive verb. To offend is the infinitive here. Again, an infinitive may also act as the complement of a verb. Take this example. His habit is to rise early. Over here, as we can see, to rise is the infinitive and it acts as the complement of the verb is. And lastly, an infinitive may also act as the object of a preposition. For example, the speaker is about to begin, where to begin is the infinitive. Now, because an infinitive is generally preceded with a to, it is very easy to spot an infinitive. However, the students must remember that though to is frequently used, but to is not an essential part of an infinitive. In fact, there are a number of sentences where an infinitive doesn't have the to. For example, bid him go there. Now over here, go is the infinitive, and as we can see that we are not using the word to over here. Then again, take this example. You need not worry, which actually means the same as you don't need to worry. So worry is actually the infinitive here, but we are not using to in this sentence. Remember, in sentences such as these, the infinitive will not have to, and yet these sentences do have infinitives. So the students must remember that infinitive is a word that looks like a verb and does the job of a noun. And while trying to find out an infinitive, they are only going to remember this. If they look for to and then they try to find out which word is the infinitive, they might get it wrong. Hope This short presentation on infinitive will help the students to understand the non-finite verbs better. Thank you and see you again. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.